Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Now tap on Permission Manager at the top and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Then tap on one of your apps. And now tap on the best option for you to apply it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I want to choose the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Firefox just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this browser. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage instead, like Call of Duty. Now don't tap on one of those options, just click on See All Permissions at the bottom of the list and manage all of those permissions only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!